Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to the 2018-2019 Teacher Workshop Series. This is the pre-workshop homework video for elementary and secondary math teachers attending the GOHacademy Math Teacher Workshops. The math pre-workshop homework is designed to help teachers get ready for the workshops. In this pre-workshop homework video, I'm going to walk through how to use the resources on the website so that you can come into the class already having reviewed some of the basic ideas in math on an elementary and secondary level, so that at the class we can focus more on the intermediate and advanced concepts that you're going to need to know to pass the exams. Now you can get to this pre-workshop homework page if you go to GOHacademy.com, go to the home page, and from the home page you want to go to the resource section and scroll down. You're going to notice the main homework page right here. I'm going to press on that and it's going to bring us back to this page. If you scroll down the page, you're going to come to a quick link to this instruction video and written directions on how to do the top 100. Now the top 100 are video tutorials designed to help you review core math before attending the class. Now these top 100 videos, we've made shortcuts to these videos here. You can go to the first one, number sense 1, 2, 3, prime factorization, part to whole 1 or 2 here by just pressing on it, or you can go back to the top of the page and get to those same pages under resources, number sense 1, 2, 3, prime factorization, part to whole 1 and 2. So you can get to those either way. You can use the links here or at the top of the resource page. What you want to do is you want to press on each button. It's going to bring you to a page that has the video tutorials. Now the video tutorials are already organized from beginner to more advanced. Elementary school teachers just focus on videos in columns 1 and 2 and take notes on the concepts that are in those videos. Secondary teachers, meaning middle school and high school math teachers, focus on math concepts that are in columns 2 and 3. For each one of these right here, you can press on that button and it will open up into a really tiny video, or you can scroll down and put the cursor over the YouTube link and press on YouTube. Up is going to pop a 5 to 10 minute YouTube video on a math concept. Now this one is about place value. As the problem comes up, you should pause the video and read it first yourself and try and solve it on your own. If you can't solve it or you get stuck, you can work through the video and see how I work through it and solve it, and you can take notes on those core math concepts. After you read over the problem, took notes on the math concepts in the video tutorial, I want you to post a comment at the end on something that you learned on place value. It doesn't have to be a long comment. You just scroll down here. You're going to see the ability to post a comment right here. You're going to need a YouTube account or Google Plus account to do that. But I'd like you to post a comment, and you'll see there are a lot of teachers that have posted comments in the past. Post a comment to help you get into the math a little bit deeper. Just a one-sentence reflection on one concept that you learned or strategy that you learned involving place value with this problem. And you're going to do that not just for this problem right here, but for all the videos that are in your column. So if you're focusing on column 1 videos first, you want to work through and post your reflections for each one of these. This is going to help you get into that math a little bit deeper. The goal of the pre-workshop homework is to review core math before attending the class. And the best way to do that is to spend some time reviewing core math. These videos are going to help you do that. Don't watch these videos as you're driving home from work. You're not going to really be able to get into them. Find a quiet place where you can sit down, watch the video, take notes, and post comments. Then you'll be coming into the workshops really prepared for the more advanced concepts. We've also added to this pre-workshop homework some additional resources. These are things that you can do before or after the class, but they're more extensionary things to help you get into the math a little bit deeper. These are concepts that you need to know by heart. So should I memorize these formulas? Yes. Memorize these. This will help you at the workshop as we work through problems involving these concepts. For secondary math teachers, you're going to have to know a lot more. You want to come in having a working understanding of how to find the area of the trapezoid, or what's the difference between direct variation and inverse variation. Use this page right here as a formula sheet page, a visual formula sheet page to help you as you work through your practice problems. Finally, we've added a math glossary. Now this is a math glossary. It's got a lot of math terms. And you'll notice that there's different colors of the math terms. In number sense and operations, elementary school teachers should just focus on terms bolded in black. If you're a middle school or high school teacher, focus on the ones in orange. Those are the harder ones, and those would definitely be things that you might want to look on as well. The Math Glossary is just a vocabulary sheet. If you didn't know what an integer is, or whole number, or a prime number, you'd press on this link. Up would come a slide or video or web page, and it would walk you through the gist of what prime numbers are or what composite numbers are. In addition to the videos, this is another way of reviewing some of that basic math. If you're a high school teacher and you need to go through some of these more advanced concepts, well, take a look at these links. I'm sure you're going to find some helpful videos and pages and formulas that can help you understand some of these more advanced concepts in trigonometry, discrete math, and calculus. So use this as needed to clarify some of those concepts that you don't know. All right? You got the glossary page to help you with vocabulary. You got formulas here that you want to memorize before attending. And you got the top 100 videos, which everyone's going to do and post comments on. These are the things that are going to help you get ready for the class and ultimately going to help you pass your exam. All right? Team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. I look forward to seeing everyone at the workshops. Have a great day, team. Take care. Bye-bye. Team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to the 2017-2018 Teacher Workshop Series. This year we're holding workshops in math, science, English and history, early childhood education, foundations of reading, ESL and SEI. These are hands-on workshops designed to help teachers pass their teacher certification exams. I encourage you to check them out. We're holding them in Massachusetts, New York, North Carolina, California, New Hampshire, Vermont, Connecticut, and a couple other states. I encourage you to check out an upcoming workshop. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. Take care.